I'm Richard Wilbur, President and CEO of Aridea Solutions. I'm here today with Rob Moore, Vice President of Product Development. Rob is going to show us Aridea's latest innovation that helps companies manage foot traffic, the Aridea Visitor Kit. Rob, can you show us our newest do-it-yourself kit?
The Aridea Visitor Kit is a no-touch, rugged, and portable electronic kit that completely replaces traditional sign-in books. With a pre-registered QR code, visitors can sign in and be issued a temporary badge. The badge has a sign-out code printed on it, so on their way out, they can scan it to be signed out of the system. All activity is logged, and reports are easily generated, like this report, showing everyone who logged in on Monday.
Wow, that is quick and easy, and no one has to search through a sign-in book to find out when someone entered or left the building.
That's right, and the code can be generated ahead of time or right on the spot by an administrator. It can also be digital or printed on a badge or access card.
What about things like access control, alerting, and data privacy?
The Aridea Visitor Kit comes as a standalone device. It does not require any IT support or internet connectivity. All the data is stored locally and can only be accessed on the device. However, as an IoT device, the Visitor Kit can be integrated with a variety of other systems and devices like access control, reception, and even the Aridea Fever Kit to ensure no one with a fever can enter the building.
That sounds great. Where do we go to learn more?
Visit aridea.com/visitorkit.